Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to discuss the top 5 ways by which a beginner ruin the trading capital. Indeed, as a beginner, we all commit mistakes. It is utmost important for us to understand these mistakes and come out from it. I'm going to discuss the top 5 mistakes which we all commit and try to analyze them. We focus in getting the perfect technical indicator for stock trading. That means the readily available technical indicators like MACD, RSI, stochastic, Williams percent hour, etc. are available to any charting software. We just blindly follow them. Whenever the technical indicator says buy, we just close our eyes and buy a stock. We do not follow price action. However, we need to concentrate mainly on price action because all these technical indicators, or majorly the 99% of these technical indicators, are the derivatives of price movement or price action. Price action is the key element of technical analysis, and we do not understand that, and hence we blow out our trading capital. Point number 2, we follow the trading gurus blindly. We often visit stock trading summits and get hot stock tips from multiple vendors. Even these days, there are a lot of WhatsApp group which actually passes on some free trading tips. Mostly these are done by the stockbrokers, and hence whenever you make a trade using their broking platform, they get a commission out of it. They are not bothered that whether the trade has gone right or wrong for you. Nobody judges the performance of these gurus. However, you at the end of the day loses. Be very careful until and unless you do not understand a thing. Don't jump and buy or sell any stock. Point number 3, we often take leverage or we use the margin to buy stocks. That means if I'm having a capital of 10,000 rupees, I'm eligible to trade a stock worth 1 lakh rupees or 100,000 rupees. That means even a stop loss of 1% will actually decrease my account size by 10%, which can in turn blow out my account. Often we do not put a stop loss in place. That makes our losses much more deep. Be very careful while making an investment or trading decision. Do not leverage your account until and unless you know in and up in and about everything about the particular stock. We do not focus on money management, which is the ground level reality. We just want to make one trade which can give us enough money or make us as rich as a millionaire. Money management is the key element of stock trading, and we do not do that. Please ensure that you follow a proper money management rule before starting your trading career. Lastly, the most important thing which we do not focus is a trading plan. Trading is a business. We need to have a proper plan. We just cannot buy a stock and hold it because we do not have a plan. If you are buying something, you need to know when to sell or when to get out of that stock. These are my top 5 rules or top 5 ways by which we often lose money in stock market. I hope you have liked the video. Get in touch with me in case of further queries in my email ID datasciencefortrading@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.